Hi, my name is Mary Beth. I'm the personal training director at the town Lake Y, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite granola recipes. I love to add a little bit of crunch to my yogurt, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon. But anyway, so I start off with 2 cups of oats. Then I'll do about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar syrup, and did honey. You can also use, let me get that out of there. You can also use syrup, maple syrup. I like that as well. But it's kind of what I had in the house. And then I did a coconut. I'm actually doing a coconut sunflower mix, and it's kind of fun. Kind of brought a different flavor. And then about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I just eyeball it. I kind of use my good vanilla for this one. So it's all about the moisture content that you need in there. You just get it, and then you kind of mix it up. Make sure it's well distributed. And then you can, from here, you can add anything you want, right? So I'm going to do today, I'm going to do some dried cranberries, about a handful or so. And then some toasted pumpkin seeds, which are really awesome, adds that crunch. But again, you can add anything you want, whether you want to do nuts, a different dried fruit, no dried fruits. I already have a pan already ready to go, just with parchment. I do parchment paper myself. You just pour it in. So the trick, for at least my trick, is with the granola, it needs to be spread out pretty well, because all you're going to do is you're going to try it out in the oven. I'm actually going to use my toaster oven today because I don't want to heat up the house. But I'll put it in. It's at 325. It's going to go for about 30 minutes. All right, the granola is out and done. Look at that nice golden brown. And then what I do is just a little bit. I like it crunchy. You can hear the crunch. Whoa. That's perfect. That's going to be, makes for a great topper for a yogurt or anything else you want. Hope you enjoy it. You guys have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.